Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to add a ZARA receipt to the ZARA app. Whether you have purchased an item in a store or online, keeping a receipt linked to your app can help you with the returns, exchanges, or tracking your orders. Now let's get started. First of all, open your ZARA app. Make sure that you have already logged in. And now on your main screen on dashboard, you can see account in bottom right corner. Tap on it. This will open your account. Here you can see purchases option. Tap on it. This will open the purchases, and this is where all your linked purchases and receipts will appear. My purchase section is empty because I haven't purchased anything yet, but I will tell you these steps and just follow these steps and you will be able to add a receipt. Now let's get back into the topic. After you found a purchase that you want to add a receipt to your ZARA app, look for an option like add receipt or link purchase. This feature allows you to manually upload a receipt or connect a purchase to your account. There are two ways to add a receipt. One is scan the QR code or barcode. If your receipt has a QR code or a barcode, use your phone's camera to scan it. Second is enter recipient's information manually. If the recipient doesn't have a code, and you can type in details like your transaction number, store number, and purchase date, and find the receipt from that. Once you have scanned or entered the receipt details, tap on save or submit. The app will process the information and link the receipt to your account. And that's how you can add a receipt to the ZARA app. If this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.